Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video, everything you need to know before teaching in Dubai. The first one is, what are the types of teaching opportunities in Dubai? Hope you know that teaching opportunities in Dubai are plenty of opportunities are there. So popular teaching opportunities in Dubai include ESL job, private tutoring and international test preparation. Since most of the students living in Dubai have advanced English, there are also opportunities to teach other subjects in English, including maths, science, art and technology. There are 4 types of teaching opportunities there. First one is private school. Many private schools in Dubai, large affluent class. The language of instruction is most private school is English. There are always opportunities for foreign teacher, whether in ESL programs or subject classes. Not only like that, in 58% of Emirate parents choose private school for their children. Private schools cater to over 89% of the students' population of Dubai. There are 16 different types of curricula. So private school offering programs more than 250,000 students across 6 different types of curriculum. In Dubai, language schools are everything from German to Chinese. The most popular language school teach English to adult experts who need it for daily business communication. Some of the best ESL jobs in Dubai are at Language Institute. So if you are all brushed up on your past participle and subordinate conjunction, this may be educational environment for you. In public school, like everything else in Dubai, the public education has grown rapidly over the last few decades. Public schools are now open to all Dubai residents. However, Emirates students can enroll for free, non-national pay annual fees. Public schools may be nominally less lucrative than comparable private school, but foreign teacher will gain unique insight into UAE ambitious education reforms. The last one is private families. Yes, it's really possible to teach little princess and princess in Dubai. If this is your dream, look out for the surnames Al Nahyan, Al Maktoum, Al Khasami, Al Nuyami, Al Mulala, and Al Sara, the 6 royal houses that rule over the UAE 7 emirate. Most of these positions are contract through recruiting agencies, so check out the organization below for relevant opportunities. Regardless of where and what you teach in Dubai, except to encounter students who are eager to learn. Teachers will also notice that both public and private education in the UAE make liberal use of information technology in the classroom. Be prepared to hit the keyboard and engage students both on and. What is the average teaching salary in Dubai? So how much do teachers get paid in Dubai? So teaching Dubai is one of the top paying jobs in the UAE. Salaries for teacher in Dubai usually range 3,000 to 4,000 depending on experience and the type of school. Some schools also offer teachers competitive benefit package including health insurance, round-trip airfare for annual visit home, local apartment rental. So be sure to look for these things in your contract and get anything promised to you down in the writing before you arrive. The good news is teacher salaries in Dubai are tax-free, so what you earn stays in your pocket. The less good news is the cost of living in Dubai is notoriously expensive international cities. Rent and groceries are particularly expensive. Salaries should be enough to cover expenses, but they are not likely to be much left over in the way of saving unless you are a careful budgeter. The next one is, what are the requirements for teaching in Dubai? There are wide range of schools in Dubai with different requirements for teaching staff. Dubai salaries and benefit packages are most impressive. Teachers will need a master's degree in the relevant field, a teaching certification, at least 2 years of experience. Other mid-range schools accept teachers with a bachelor degree, experience requirement varying by position. If you are looking for your first teaching jobs, Dubai may be tough sell, but there are private families looking for tutors and non-profit school looking for teaching interns and volunteers. This may be not your dream job, but all are great ways to get your teaching career off the ground while enjoying in the Dubai lifestyle. Teaching English in Dubai first two camps. The top school usually follow American or British curriculum, and these schools want teachers with the training from the source. In other words, the best American schools in Dubai prefer to hire North American native speakers with a teaching certification from a reputable American or Canadian institution. Likewise, schools that follow British curriculum restrict hires to teachers with a certification from the UK. This rules applies for public and government school as well as private schools in the UAE. Can you teach English in Dubai without a degree? Yes. Most English teaching opportunities in Dubai are limited to certified teacher because to obtain work permit the Ministry of Education UAE requires teachers to be properly qualified, which most interpret to mean having a teaching certification. However, this does not need to be a full degree. Consider getting a TEFL, TESOL or CELTA certification. Before applying to teach in English in Dubai, it will be pay for itself in your teaching salary in Dubai over few short months. If you don't have a degree and getting certified isn't it in the card, there are still ESL jobs in Dubai for you, especially if you are native English speaker. So if you don't have a wall to full frame certification, it is still worth throwing your resume in the ring. Be aware that salaries are based on your experience and qualification. However, so not having a degree will cost you. Where can I find ESL jobs in Dubai? Go Abroad has an entire teaching programs in Dubai. This is the best place to start your search for ESL jobs in Dubai. These are some of the most common teaching positions in Dubai, and native speakers will find abundant opportunities to share their native language with the Dubai international population. Wherever you go to find teaching opportunities in Dubai, make sure the recruiters and schools you contact are ADEC certified. If you want a shortlist of the most reputable companies for teaching in Dubai, read on to see some of the best school job programs. Is it safe to teach abroad in the Middle East? Yes, one of the Middle East safest cities for visiting expat. Don't be misled by neighboring country features on the nightly news. Dubai crime rate is lower than most global cities of its size, and public transportation is clean and carefully monitored. Even petty crime is rare in Dubai, but as anywhere, teachers should keep their wits about them and keep their valuables secure. Emirate police are generally very professional and considerate of guests, but there is little tolerance for rule breakers. Do I need to know Arabic before teaching in UAE? No. Dubai is global business hub, so you can expect street sign, place name, and advertising to be in English and Arabic. For English teachers, some schools even prefer candidate with no Arabic background to prevent anything other than English from being spoken in the classroom. Other schools look favorably on Arabic language experience or time spent in the other Arabic speaking countries, as this is seen as valuable cultural background. Outside of the classroom, speaking the local language is undeniably a major bonus. Teachers in Dubai that speak Arabic will earn respect and brownie points with the Emirates and other Arabic-speaking expats of which you will find many in Dubai. The flowering greeting Salam Alaikum is a great place to start. If you intend to pick while teaching in Dubai, don't be afraid to look in the local Arabic language program to take your Arabia to the next level.